Hi guys, welcome to the Sunday Chef. My name is Atin and I welcome you to an exciting Sunday. Today, I'm going to be attempting to make eclairs. Eclairs, the cream-filled, chocolate-dipped choux pastry, a classic MasterChef nightmare. I'm going to be attempting it for the first time and I'm going to be showing it to you in very easy and simple steps. So let's get cooking. First step in making our choux pastry is to make its batter, and for that we need the following ingredients, starting with water. This is around 1 cup of water. Then we are going to need half a cup of butter. This is salted butter. You can take unsalted butter as well, but अगर आप वो use कर रहे हो तो add a little pinch of salt while you're making the batter. Then we are going to need some maida, all-purpose flour. So this is around 1 cup, and then we're going to need some 4 eggs. And then I'm taking an empty utensil so that हम बाद में सब इस चीज़ को mix कर सकें. Now the first step is to put some water. So this is about 1 cup of water. I've put it in a saucepan. और साथ ही साथ इसमें हम ऐड करेंगे बटर. सो अगर आप अनसॉल्टेड बटर यूज़ कर रहे हैं सो जस्ट मेक श्योर इसमें थोड़ा सा आप सॉल्ट ऐड कर लो, अदरवाइज यू कैन जस्ट यूज रेगुलर सॉल्टेड बटर. एंड अब इसको हम हीट करेंगे जब तक ये बॉईल ना हो जाए. सो नाउ यू कैन सी कि इट स्टार्टेड टू बॉईल. अब इसमें हम बॉईल ऐसे आते ही हम इसको विल टर्न ऑफ द हीट. एंड अब इसको मिक्सचर को हमें शॉक करना है विद एडिंग द फ्लावर. तो इसमें हमने सारा का सारा फ्लावर ऐड कर दिया. दिस अराउंड 1 कप ऑफ ऑल पर्पस फ्लावर. और मेक श्योर आपकी जो हीट सोर्स है उसको आपने ऑफ कर दिया है एंड इसको हमें विग्रेसली चलाना है. सो लेस देन 30 सेकेंड्स आप देख सकते हो कि हमारे एक बॉल टाइप की शेप में आ गया है. बट इसमें अभी भी थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चर होगा. Now, you know, to make sure कि वो सारा का सारा excess moisture हम remove कर सकें, what we'll do is just put the gas on and इसको low to medium heat पे हम इसको थोड़ा सा गर्म करेंगे and we'll heat it to a point जबकि सॉस पैन में हल्का हल्का ये एक पतली सी लेयर फॉर्म ना कर दे. अब आप देख सकते हो ये देखो चिपकना शुरू हो गया है. You can see ये चिपकना शुरू हो गया है and that's how we know it's done. So it's been around 20 minutes और अब ये ठंडा हो चुका है. इसको हम अब धीरे धीरे करके now we're going to use the beater और इसको हम धीरे धीरे करके बिल्कुल स्लो स्पीड पे बीट करेंगे. And now what we're going to do is also now keep adding the eggs at regular intervals. So एक एक करके एग ड्रॉप करेंगे, एक साथ नहीं करेंगे नहीं तो अजीब सा हो जाएगा. एंड एक एक करके इसमें एग ड्रॉप करेंगे एंड विल जस्ट कीप मिक्सिंग. नाउ मैंने चारों के चारों एग्स डाल दिए हैं. अब आपको लगेगा कि ये अजीब सा हो रखा है, इट्स लाइक अ ग्लूटेनस मिक्सचर. सो डोंट गेट डिस्टर्ब, ज़्यादा चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट कीप विस्किंग इट, स्लो स्पीड पे करते रहना है. नाउ वन थिंग दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज़ दैट you have to allow the mixture to be completely cool. So जो हमने बैटर बनाया था वो एकदम ठंडा होना चाहिए, गर्म बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. नहीं तो अगर आप एग्स डालोगे तो आपके एग्स कर्टल हो जाएंगे एंड बेसिकली दे विल कुक एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू डोंट वांट. सो हमें इट्स बीन लेस देन 5 मिनट्स एंड यू कैन सी कि हमारा ये जो choux पेस्ट्री का डो है इट्स कम टुगेदर. सो मैं ऑफ कर देता हूँ. आई थिंक इट्स डन. एंड टू चेक कि ये हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ, फर्स्ट यू कैन सी दैट द dough is very smooth. You can see this is how we get to know it's very smooth. अगर आप इसको spatula से भी लेके आप कर देखते हो, so you can see it's very smooth and that's how you know it's done. So I have my baking tray ready with me and also my batter. अब इसको मैंने एक piping bag में भर लिया है and once I have done that I'm going to just make it a little tight. Now if you don't have this at home, you can just make it out of a Ziploc and cut it from the corner, and the width should be around, the diameter should be around 1 centimeter. Now इसको एक बार tight करके मैं इसमें I'm going to just put this in the corner little bit, and this will be basically act like a glue for sticking our parchment paper. इसको ऐसे करके लगा देना है. This will act like a glue. Stick हो जाएगा. Now what we'll do is we'll just make our shoe pastry. इसको हम एक बार में ऐसे लगा देंगे. Now you can see कि इसकी shape proper नहीं आती है, तो what you can do is just have some water और इसको उंगली के end ऐसे लगाकर you can just push it like this हल्का finger से, and they'll be in shape ऐसे करके, and you can just fix them like this with some amount of water, and that's it. So now we'll put this for baking. So पहले you have to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes. अब मैं इसको oven में रखूँगा, and now you have to put this for baking for about 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, and उसके बाद temperature drop करके 160 पे रखना है for about 15 minutes. So our main part of the pastry is done. इसको मैंने oven से निकाल लिया है. It's been cooling for about 10 to 15 minutes, and एक बार check कर लेंगे कि अंदर से कैसी है. They look perfect. Yeah, see, you can see that इसमें काफ़ी सारी air pockets हैं, and they're nice and fluffy, and they look perfect from outside as well. A little hard, and that's how it should be. Now we'll move on to the next step, which is basically filling it with all the icing that we're going to prepare, and also the chocolate dip. So the second part is to make our whipped cream, and for that I'm using some ready-made whipping powder. Along with this, I'm also using some chilled water. So the proportion is 1:1. So I'm taking about 100 grams of whipping powder along with 100 ml of chilled water. Just put this in this, and now we're going to whip it at high speed for 2 to 3 minutes. So I guess our whipped cream is done. You can see it's done. It looks perfect. Now the third step is to melt our chocolate. So उसके लिए मैंने थोड़ी सी chocolate ली है, broken it into smaller pieces, and we're going to be using the double boiler method. So पानी है जो गर्म हो रहा है, एक glass bowl है, and इसमें हम इसको रख देंगे. Just enough. The water should be just enough कि हल्का हल्का वैसे इस ग्लास को हल्का टच करे, so that धीरे धीरे करके हमारी चॉकलेट मेल्ट हो. वी आर एबल टू मेंटेन अ पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर जिस पे ये हीट होके मेल्ट हो जाए. हमारा चॉकलेट अभी मेल्ट हो रही है. दिस शुड बी डन इन द नेक्स्ट 2 minutes. So our chocolate is done, and now we'll just move on to assembling our shoe pastries. Now to make our eclair, we'll just take our shoe pastry. We've divided it into 2 pieces. We'll take the bottom half first. Now at the bottom half, just fill this with a generous amount of your whipped cream. This will basically help you with the creaminess and the amazing flavor. Now put this, and for the top half, what I'll do is I'll just dip it in our melted chocolate, and yeah, our eclairs is done. Doesn't it look amazing? So after an hour of baking, finally we have our eclairs, and let's have a look. I picked one of them, and you can see that there were 3 steps involved. First was making the shoe pastry itself. second was preparing our whipped cream, and third was dipping it in chocolate. And by doing all these steps together, now we have our eclairs. And now it's time for taste. It's turned out to be amazing. Now, it seemed like a really difficult dish, but the Sunday Chef way, now you know how to make eclairs in very easy and simple steps. Do follow this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what other dishes you'd like to see. But for now, this is Sunday Chef signing off. Take care.